Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, in the year 2024, and now we are here to provide an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of the 24th of October, 2024, our system has identified Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Regrettably, the stock has not met expectations, showing a decline of 1.12% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.22% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases along this path. The present 3-month trend points to a potential increase of approximately 19% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a little over 1/3% to nearly 28%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of around 4% over the next year, with potential returns varying from approximately -40% to just under 10%. This would suggest a price range of between $153.96 to $281.89 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Tesla reports that the stock price decreased by approximately 0.75% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, Tesla's stock price dropped from $259.52 to $257.55. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of nearly 3%, with a low of $255.82 and a high of $263.35. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, yet it remains up by over 16% in the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume fell alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume typically aligns with price movements. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 25 million shares, totaling 53 million shares, traded for approximately $13.7 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $273.54, while the lowest was $138.80. Currently, the stock price is about 5.8%, or $15.99, below the 52-week high, and 71.4%, or $642.85, below the all-time high recorded on January 25th, 2021, when the price peaked at $900.40. Tesla is making headlines as analysts evaluate the company's current market position and future prospects. Recent insights highlight that while its business operations are commendable, the stock itself is considered overvalued. Notably, Tesla's price-to-sales ratio stands at an astonishing 9 times, starkly contrasting with the automotive sector's average of 1.5. This disparity suggests significant downside risk, which could lead to short-term stock volatility as investors reassess their expectations. On the operational front, Tesla's push for 0% loans in China aims to boost its delivery figures, with ambitions set to reach 1,810,000 vehicles by year-end. This strategy could create positive momentum in upcoming quarters. Additionally, early signs of growth inflection were noted following the third quarter earnings report, despite revenue falling short of expectations. In a bolder perspective, Elon Musk suggested that advancements in humanoid robotics could potentially elevate Tesla's valuation to unprecedented heights. However, his political activism could pose risks amidst looming economic uncertainties from proposed tariffs that may impact consumer spending in the short term. Ultimately, while Tesla's innovative approach and market presence continue to attract attention, its overvaluation, coupled with uncertain economic policies, introduces both risks and opportunities for investors in the near term and potentially transformative growth in the longer term. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Tesla a rating of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wolfe Research provided Tesla with a cautious rating and also recommended a hold. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, Oppenheimer rated Tesla as perform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Morgan Stanley gave Tesla an overweight rating while suggesting a hold. Also on that Thursday, Deutsche Bank rated Tesla as a buy and recommended a hold. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels $248.70 and $240.11. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 25, 2024, with the stock experiencing a decline of 4.32% since then. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 13 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 3 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy 94 days ago. For more signals and insights, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with significant volume accumulation at 230 and 17 hundredths and 217 and 80 hundredths. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If it breaks below this level, it could drop to the next support point. Here, Tesla's immediate support is at 230 and 17 hundredths. Should this level be breached, the subsequent support, backed by accumulated volume, will be at 217 and 80 hundredths and 210 and 73 hundredths. This stock can experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval observed in the Bollinger Band suggests that it is considered high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 7 and 53 hundredths between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 2.94%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on January 22, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 67 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at 260.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at 230.17. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 28,000 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 15.896. In total, insiders purchased 756,613 shares and sold 1,093,215 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting a stop loss at $243.93, which reflects a decline of 5.29%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that now may be an opportune moment to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable likelihood for Tesla stock to perform favorably in the near future. Upon evaluating the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of October, we anticipate Tesla to open at an increase of $1.36, starting trading at $258.91. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.